Hello people, this is Barry from Elliott Wave, and today we're going to take a look at the Nasdaq. So, I'm just going to go straight into it today. As usual, again, you know the drill. If you enjoy the content, please leave a like, subscribe. If you want to stay updated, I'm trying to be consistent here in 2025, try to grow a larger audience. So if you want to share to your friends, whatever. And I think I'm going to, if you want to join the Discord, I'll open it again. You'll find the link down below. If you're a scammer, you will be found, and you will see what will happen. Yeah, if you want to join the Discord, share your ideas, share your thoughts, just talk about whatever, trade and investing, then you're more than welcome. Okay, so the Nasdaq. So here's what I have to say about it. So before we go into the count, which we're gonna adjust this, I do think some like this top here is, the way I look at things, we're gonna count it again. I think this is possible also by looking at the S&P, and we could be near this top here, and ideally 22,000 would be nice. 23 maximum, and then it would be ideal if we could do this, go back to 18ish. And at that point, it would open up a possibility of either upside or what if cycle wave 5 goes here, then we're effed. I can tell you. It's not the end of the world, but then it's going to be many years of a bear market. Many years, at least 3 to 4 years of a bear market. Okay. People. All right, so you I guess you could say, as usual, this looks like shit. To some degree, I agree with you, but how else could you count it? Now, as usual, I always forget about the different counts that I have. Yeah, this was the option. This is much more bullish. I guess it is possible. Don't get me wrong. 1, 3, 4, 5 for 1. I guess it's possible. We're gonna see. Obviously here you have some sort of a nicer wave 4. Even though this wave 4, it is smaller than this wave 4, and it doesn't make much sense, right? Given that this is one higher degree. So that's a bit unclear. But then at the end of the day, if you were to use your trend channel, yeah, you did have a pretty good estimate here. I don't know, but also if you were to use this and get your estimate for wave 5, let me adjust. Oopsie. Sorry, people. Okay, let me adjust this. Okay, yep. If we are missing this, it would make sense, wouldn't it? So at the end of the day, it does make sense. And we are bouncing around. This is pretty fascinating. The middle line of the trend channel, I always found that pretty interesting. Should we delete it? Yeah, just get rid of it. Okay, people. So the only you could say non-ideal thing is this wave 4, the subdivision here. Possible. Ugly, but possible. Okay, people. So I don't know why this was here. Okay. No, okay. Yeah, I just got rid of it. Okay, so without wasting too much time. Okay, so I labeled it as it's basically WXY even. Let me investigate here. Okay, for in the making. How did I label it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so this is why it makes sense to be corrective. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 is not trend establishing. Trend establishing is not obviously 5, 9, 11, which is not wave, but it's swings. 7 is corrective. Hence, it will make sense to be some sort of an A, B, C, extended C. Yes, you could say that. Bit ugly, but possible. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I mean, you should table at double XY, shouldn't you? Oh, God. Okay, so this goes in here. And I think I'm going to rename this as 5 in the making. Okay. Now here. Let me have it here. Okay, here. It's when things get interesting. Why? Well, first of all, it looks more like a three-wave move, doesn't it? God. So that's problem number 1. Now, ignoring that, let's say this is a wave 1. Okay. You say, Barrett, can't 5 in here. And I'll say, F you. So obviously, I mean, not obviously, but yeah, I just can't. I just can't. Because here I see 1, 2, 1, 2, which is the same way it was counted before. I can't. I don't like this. I mean, if 1, 2, 4, 5. Because here's what I'm thinking, which is the same thing as we had before. So what I'm saying basically is we are here. And the problem is, if I were to count 5, then if I were to do, let's say this, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, wave 3 would be your shortest. That is the main problem, see? Wave 3 would be the shortest, and that it's not possible. God. So, if that's not possible, I cannot count it like that. Unless, yeah, I just can't. So this is not possible. And I'm gonna have to go with this. Now you could argue, okay, but look at this. It don't look nice, do they? I agree with you, people. I also agree with this looks like three-wave move. So I don't know. I mean, could we get an ending diagonal here? I guess it's possible. I think I might have said last time around as well. Be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nope. Yep. I don't know. It's not an easy one. It's not. The S&P was a bit better. I updated a couple of days ago. But here on the Nasdaq, this is basically what I'm seeing. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so that's one way to look at it, right? So let's do this. Let's, as usual, assume I'm wrong, which is highly possible at this point. Wouldn't be surprised. Let's go back. Okay, if we want to stick with this, I don't know. What if we want to stick with this? Okay, I had the same subdivision here, as you can see. This, it's better to just show on the 1 hour. Okay. 1, 2. At the end of the day, it's not even that bad, is it? 1, 2, 1, 2. Sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5. 1, 2. This is pretty bullish, to be honest. It's possible, but pretty bullish. But okay, but what if? Nope, sorry. What if this wave 4 is not here? 1, 2. I don't know. It's because here I can't put wave 4 here because basically that's wave 3 ends, so it doesn't make much sense. You can say, what if 3 is here? Then I will say yes, but how do we count this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Could we? I think once I had it like this. 1, 2. Okay, so but is this 1 and 2? Is 3 the shortest? Yes, 3 will be the shortest, so it doesn't make sense. Yeah, people, I think I'm just gonna leave it like that, to be honest. I mean, like this, whatever, whether this is wave 4 or whether this is a wave 1 and 2, purely because, and I'll show you, but you can go watch the video. This is what I have for the Nasdaq, so for the S&P. Here we have let's say a better subdivision, and similarly, I label these as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So yeah, people, any questions, let me know down below, or you can join the Discord. And yeah, please, if you enjoy the content, just leave a like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.